Dear learners, welcome and hello to this video tutorial on Congrea. So let us begin a brief video tutorial to present a basic use of Congrea, which is an online tool, a very important software for virtual lectures and recording. So let us see the learning outcomes. At the end of this tutorial, the learner will be able to go to the homepage of Congrea and sign up or log in as per the requirement, schedule a session in Congrea and share the link and invite people. So let us first see in brief what is Congrea. It is an online generation scalable open source virtual classroom environment. It has been packaged with several value added features as audio visual interaction and collaborative editor. And Congrea basically enhances the learning experience by allowing the users to share the media documents or even share their own screen with fellow participants. So all you have to do is let's begin with this session. I'm recording this with a Screencast-O-Matic. So you need to first go to Google and type Congrea. Now there are different ways of approaching this. Now this particular schedule is how to schedule, and then this particular tutorial is on the topic of how to schedule a session and how to start and begin with the meeting or a schedule a session on Congrea. So you have one way if you are not a member of any Moodle platform or some other way, then in that case the simple step would be to go to Google and type Congrea. So you will be taken to the homepage of Congrea where you can have a free plan or you can start with a demo. In my case, since I am already a member of a Moodle course, that is Moodle for Teachers, and it's a course called as Live Online Virtual Engagement. So we have been given access to Congrea. So in that case, I will show you how to begin. You can see on the screen there is this page called as Congrea Live Online Virtual Engagement. This is the course name which I am currently pursuing under Moodle for Teachers, and the thank you, I would like to express my gratitude for giving us this access. So this particular tutorial is to show how to schedule a session. So the first step would be to click on schedule a session, and once you click on schedule, you will be taken to a page where you can see so many sessions being scheduled. So all I have to do is first I have to check the available slot. I can click on add a session, and this is the page which appears. Then I will be going to, this is the date as per my Indian requirement. So this is the date. I can say for maybe 10 minutes because I am saying select a teacher. So I will select my name because I am basically hosting the class. So this is me, and time I can, this is the date. Okay. So 47. So I can say maybe 48. That's it. So at this time I can schedule my session, and now this is depending on whether I want to keep it as a repeating session or just a single session. That depends upon that, and then I can tell these are all the people who have scheduled their classes, uh, and that's it. Save changes. So once you click on save changes, yeah, that's it. So you can see me. So this is me, and I have scheduled at 9:48 my class, and here I have the option to delete and edit my session as per the requirement. So this is how you can schedule a session or using Congrea, and I believe this session will be very helpful. If you wish to make some changes in the settings or timing, you can go to this option of edit. If you want to delete, you can delete. So now you can see I have scheduled a 10 minutes duration on this platform. This is a free version, so they have option of recorded, but nothing will be here as it is a free one. Upcoming sessions, all these you can show the upcoming sessions. So that's it. So this is the video tutorial to demonstrate how to schedule a session using Congrea. So I believe this will be very helpful to you all learners. I believe you will be practicing it and using it for your academic purpose. As always, I thank you all for being live with me. Remember, we are teachers and we are lifelong learners. We need to constantly update and keep ourselves updated with the new version, new technologies and teaching learning pedagogies. Thank you so much. And remember, change is mandatory, survival is optional. Thank you.